With conjugation, like we did earlier, it is more advisable to go manual, right, instead of going with calculator, because sometimes you may not get the correct answer. But when it comes to rationalization, it works perfectly. So don't worry. So with conjugation, go manual. So why do we say that? Just multiply the denominator by top and down. Because this is minus, make it what? Plus root 6 over 3 plus root 6. So when it is plus, when you come here to multiply, make it minus. When it is minus, make it plus. Simple. Then continue the work. This one is multiplying the two of them. So 2 times 2 will produce 6, as you are seeing here, right? Then root 7 will be attached because we are looking at two terms. This is the first term. So this one will be used to multiply that. Then the second one will also be used to multiply. The second one is 2 times invisible number here, 1, which will produce 2. Can you see it there? Okay. Then root 7 times root 6. That is the answer. Because they are all roots, which you can put them in roots. So be producing what? Root 42. That's what we brought it here. We simplify it. When you come down, 3 times 3, copy this one, multiply by that. 3 is what? 9. We are seeing it here. Plus 3 times invisible 1 in front of this, making what? 3 root 6. So 3 root 6. Then pay this one, minus root 6 times 3. So 3 times invisible 1 here produces minus 3 root 6. Then minus root 6 times root 6 produces minus root 6 squared, which will end up getting you square cancels root, then get you 6. After that, you simplify your answer and it brings you to this point. So manually, this is what we are going to generate, right? So it's more appropriate. So let's see more questions. Let's answer more examples over here. Let's see more examples in this video. Okay, let's see more examples. Good. I think you remember this. Find y in the expression. This is an equation. Anytime you have equation in mathematics, please use calculator and set yourself free. Don't commit suicide. Don't work it. Show answer. Paper 2. Produce with a calculator and work towards it so that you enjoy it. Let's go. So you know that you type it on the screen. Every equation, type it on the screen. You don't go to board. You don't go to any place. So 24. So 24 quickly. Forward arrow, remember, so that you take it out of the arrow. So you have to check. Plus root 96, square root of 96, forward arrow, minus square root of 600, square root of 600, square root of 600. Okay. Forward arrow. Equal sign. You know this is not a normal equal sign. It is what? Alpha calculate. Equal sign is there. Have you seen it? Good. Then the next one is y with 6. You are looking for the value of what? Y. But it's more appropriate to pick x. So let's use x. So whenever they give you any variable in the equation to solve, linear equation to solve, when they give you p, q, r, s, t, whatever they give you, insert x. So alpha bracket close. Right, it gives me that. Then root 6, forward arrow. I am done. You solve an equation, you don't evaluate an equation. So you don't press equal sign, normal equal sign. Solve it. Where is solve? Shift calculate. It will solve for you. The answer is -4. Option B. Simple. Any equation, whether said equation or whatever, provided there's only one variable to look for it. Insert. Know where to pick your equal sign, as I taught you. Alpha and the calculate is there. The color of it will show you. Then shift solve. With your normal calculator, press the equal sign 3 times. First one, that's what the answer. Second one, you see a box. Third one, it will say solve for x. That is the true answer. Hello, take this advice. Let's move to the next question. All right, similar calculator. So I clear my calculator screen. 3 root 500. So 3. This is not cube root. It's 3. You should know the difference. 3 root 500. Root 500. Forward arrow. Take note. Minus 2 root 125. 2 root 125. That is the answer. 20 root 5. Do you have it there? Yes. Option B. Simple. Do you love it? Did you know this already? So if you knew how to use calculator to do all these things, I'm giving you more stuff. Let's go. 1 over root 2. So I open my bracket 1. Forward arrow will take you to the next step, right? Root 2. So root 2. Forward arrow. Forward arrow takes me to the center. It must take you to the center. I'm not going towards the denominator. I'm at the center. You open your bracket as it's open there. Root 2. So root 2. Forward arrow to take me out. Plus forward arrow. Right. That's also fraction. So I open fraction key. Sorry. The position of my cursor. So forward arrow. Let me go forward. Okay. Forward arrow. Fraction key. 1. Forward arrow. Root 2. Root 2. Okay. The answer is 3 over 2. 3 over 2. If you don't see 3 over 2 there, it means it has been converted to base fraction. Have you seen there's no fraction? Press SD on your calculator. The answer is what? 1.5. The 1.5 is in decimals. You want the answer in fraction, either mixed fraction or common fraction. Press SD again. It takes you back. Now, on your normal calculator, press Shift SD. It will change it to mixed fraction. So let me type it and see. 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. I press it. This is what I get. Shift SD. Can you see? 1.5. 1.5, right? So the answer is A. Are you okay? Are you enjoying it? So you just press Shift SD to shift to take it to mixed fraction for you. But if you want fraction to decimal or vice versa, you just press Shift. You just press SD. Sorry. All right. Another calculator work. This is interesting. Do you love it? Bracket as it is. Root 3. Square root of 3. Forward arrow to take me out. Minus 1. I close my brackets. Open another bracket. There's no symbol there, so it's multiplication. So I open a new bracket. 1. What is the sign there? Plus root 3. Square root of 3. Forward arrow. I close my bracket. Nicely. The answer is 2 straight away. Can you see the answer? 2. Option C is the correct answer. So when it says, please, is all the questions are bonus for objectives. Even for 2, what produce the answer with calculator and work towards it. Right? That's beautiful. Good. Let's conclude this as example. Let's look at example 2. Example 2. It says what? If this and that and that and that equal to k root 2, find the value of k. Like I said, because it's an equation, put x there and work it, because you may not find k on your calculator. Put x there. Whatever I get for x is the k. So let's go quickly. All right. So 32. We are solving the equation. Root 32. Forward arrow. Don't forget. Plus root 128. Root 128. Forward arrow. Minus root 18. Minus root 18. Square root of 18. Plus root 50. Plus root 50. Square root of 50. Forward arrow. Equal sign. Remember is alpha calculate. Equal sign there.